After 8 long years, India is chairing the United Nations Security Council for the month of August, and it has a range of significant issues ranging from maritime security to deteriorating situation in Afghanistan lying before it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will be chairing key meetings amidst growing discussions over the new global order, rising Chinese threats in Indo-Pacific, and Taliban's stepped-up offensive in Afghanistan.
For the 8th time in the history of the Security Council, India is at the chair of the United Nations Security Council, a position a country can secure only after receiving a yes from 2/3 of the House, or in precise numbers, 129 of the 193 members. India's permanent representative to the United Nations, T.S. Tirumurti, called it the moment of pride for the country. India said that maritime security, peacekeeping and counter-terrorism are on top of its agenda. Maritime security has gained more traction in the global discussions after China's growing threats in the Indo-Pacific.
There are three major areas which we will focus on in August: maritime security, peacekeeping and counter-terrorism. And we will focus on these three themes through three signature events during our presidency. And as you have rightly pointed out, I think maritime security discussion is a first. And, maritime security has always received a very high priority in our foreign policy. We believe that it is time for the Security Council to take a holistic approach to the issue of maritime security, that safeguards common prosperity and other security interests.
India's agenda during its presidency will also be to focus on UN reforms for a more equitable representation of the new global order. New Delhi has been advocating for the need to expand the P5 for some time now. Over the years, other countries have also been pushing for India to be included in a reformed, expanded UN Security Council. 3 major sessions on maritime security, peacekeeping operations and counter-terrorism will be headed by top leadership of India. While PM Narendra Modi will head the maritime session, rest will be chaired by S. Jaishankar.
The members of the Security Council are naturally deeply concerned at the turn of events. India has always maintained that we would like to see an independent, peaceful, democratic, stable and a prosperous Afghanistan. And we have been calling for immediate cessation of violence. We need to ensure that the neighbors are not threatened by export of terrorism, extremism, and separatism. And we have consistently underlined that the gains of the last 2 decades, especially with respect to women and minorities, should not be lost.
India began its 8th term as a non-permanent member of the UNSC on January 1 and will remain as such for a period of 2 years. India will be in line for the presidency again in December 2022. The country's last term as a non-permanent member of the UNSC was in 2011-12, which was preceded by stints in 1991-92, 1984-85, 1977-78, 1972-73, 1967-68 and 1950-51. The Security Council takes the lead in determining the existence of a threat to the peace or act of aggression. It calls upon the parties to a dispute to settle it by peaceful means and recommends methods of adjustment or terms of the settlement.